Hello, 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 little friends. I am Farmer. Today, I will show you the animals that live on my farm. Are you ready? Let's go. These are goats. Goats. They love to munch on green grass. Here are some cows. Cows. They give us fresh milk. These are chickens. Chickens. They lay delicious eggs every day. Say hello to the sheep. Oh, they are so fluffy and give us wool. Those are horses. Horses. They are strong and love to run around. Here come the ducks. They love to swim and go quack, quack, quack. And these are cute little rabbits. Rabbits. They hop all around the farm. Can you name your favorite farm animal? Oh yeah, really? That's great, kids. Happy learning. Until next time.